friends, Facebook family. I'm so excited that my plants finally arrived from Brumley and Bloom. Shall we get to this unboxing today?
Sorry guys, it's a little sad right now. She bounce back. She's just been squished in the box and needs water. Oh, look at these beautiful leaves. So, I know this last big one is my Monstera. I was wondering if they were going to give me a little tiny baby Monstera again. So, this is going to be the Burl Marks Flame. I'm super excited about this. This is a more rare aroid. I mean, you can find them a little bit more now, but they're still fairly rare and a little bit more difficult to come by, especially depending on what area you live in. It always makes me nervous. Is it difficult? Oh my god, it's pretty. Buffy thinks so too. Actually, he's barking at the foam that fell out of the box on the floor.
Yay! This is the smile of someone that really loves plants.